Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable people nearby on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You may have been seeing the option people nearby in Telegram and wondered what it is used for. Telegram allows you to find people within a radius of 10 kilometers without having their phone number or Telegram username and connect with them. In this video, I will show you how to enable this feature. So first we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Up left corner, and you'll find there is an option people nearby under the calls. You can tap on that. So and you don't forget to activate your location. You need to activate or turn on your location so you can see people nearby you on your Telegram. So here's the account or contact that nearby on your location. You can also see the name. You can make yourself visible by tap on make myself visible. Users nearby will be able to view your profile and send you messages. This may help you find new friends but could also attract excessive attention. You can stop sharing your profile at any time. Your phone number will remain hidden. You can tap on OK. So when people nearby they can see your Telegram contact and they can send you message. And if you want to stop show your contact, you can just tap on stop showing me like this. So simple, right? So that is how to enable people nearby on your Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.